Okay, Surendra, very good. So let's start the session, guys. So welcome to Unacademy. So welcome to the session, everyone. Very good evening, all of you guys. I hope you people are doing well. Sorry for the slight delay because of some technical issues. Okay. Chalo, we are with Arpit, one of my old student who cracked GATE exam and he went to all through IIT Kharagpur and he completed his Mtech and Kanpur, right? You got both the opportunities. You selected Kanpur. Yeah, yeah. So now he's selected for the Qualcomm and he will be sharing all his experience and he will be clearing your doubts. जैसा आपको doubts है interview को कैसे approach करना, what are the subjects you must be strong, or you may have the doubts like uh, other doubts you, if you have like internship के बारे में whatever the doubts you have, all your doubts will be cleared in this session. So welcome to the session, Arpit. I'm very happy to see your success in the long journey with the GATE exam right from 2018. You worked hard and you are able to achieve this today. Can you introduce yourself to our learners?
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for
Thank you.
allowing me to share my experience, interview experience with all of the learners. Thank you so much. So,
Thank you.
as you mentioned, my name is Arpit, and currently I am pursuing my master's in signal processing branch at IIT Kanpur. This is my last year. So, during my Mtech, there was placement sessions. Placement sessions was happening in the month of December. So, at the time of at the time of campus placement, I was not able to crack that interview. But after that, I tried off-campus trials, and at the in the time of month, I cracked the Qualcomm interview.
1 minute. Yeah,
And
okay.
all, yeah.
Arpit, I think your voice is low. Can you bring your mic near to you? I think.
Yes, sir. Now is it fine?
Yeah, you can speak now.
Yeah. So as I mentioned, I have done internship. I have also done internship from Qualcomm in the last summer, but there I didn't get the PPO offer at that time because they were having less of vacancies. Then after that, I tried off campus. There I cracked Qualcomm interview. They have took my 4 rounds, and after that also they have given me PPO. So I have both the offers right now. And yeah, so this is the simple introduction about myself.
Right. So Arpit want to explain about himself. He tried a pre-placement offer during his internship last December, but he is not able to get it due to the number of opportunities available are relatively less. इसके बाद generally in the month of December, people will be getting the placements in IITs. At that time, he is able to crack all the 4 rounds of Qualcomm, and he able to get it. But at that time, luckily he got both the offers. That is his pre-placement offer also okay, and he got this one also. So दोनों offers तो मिला. So Arpit, generally anyway, you told about your internship. Many people को doubt है ऐसा. Internship को कैसा apply करना, how to approach a company for the internship? Can you guide our students regarding this?
Okay, so actually,
Uh, yeah,
everyone is comfortable in Hindi and English.
yeah, you can talk in your own language, no issue. चाहे तो मैं translate भी करता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. चलो.
No. Actually, I am fine, but everyone should understand that.
Actually, English might be fine for both of them. You can use mixed language like me, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Fine.
Yeah, actually, in our college there is a like our professor recommend us to for the internship. Like the students who done good in the academics, professor refers to them in the Qualcomm. Like in our branch, in signal processing branch, there are 4 faculties. They refer 2 students from their lab for the internship. Apart from this, like you can apply from off campus in each company where you want to apply, and you can directly ask to your professor. Then he will allow you to join the internship.
Okay.
In my case, that was a different
Yeah,
because my
actually, as you are
experience was
doing,
good.
okay, got it. As you are doing MTech from IIT, it might be easy for you to enter into this Qualcomm because your professors will be already having good contacts, good enough number of contacts, and in fact, the Qualcomm will be asking your professor to send the students. for the internship. So fine. Suppose there is a student from a private engineering college, but he is having that hardworking nature. He want to do something great. He's having some good amount of knowledge on his basic subjects. He want to try for the internships. Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of suggestion you want to give for him?
Okay, so sir, there are uh, very social sites like LinkedIn, Hirec. There, there every HR posts continuously on for the internship or on campus, off campus offers. So, if anyone wants to join the company, he can continuously search for the job on in the LinkedIn app. There in the job section or the job section, he or she can find the jobs there. Or also he or she directly can connect with the HR
Got
of
it.
the company.
So guys,
Yes.
इनका suggestion तो बहुत simple. You can go through some job forms like LinkedIn or any other. You can follow the profiles of the HRs or whoever working with this particular companies. Not only Qualcomm, any other company which you are interested, and you can keep in touch with them or you can follow their post whenever they have any positions. They will be informing you. So like that, see, you need to try at least 10 companies you want to go for one particular internship. So don't directly try only one company and expect this to happen immediately. Okay. So Arpit, is there any way directly from the website also, do they, are they possible, is it possible to apply it? Is there anything like opportunities or placements from the
Yes,
website?
you can a person can directly apply from going on their company's website also. So companies are continuously posting their job vacancies in their website.
Right, very good. So, Veena, का question तो clear है. You can go through company website. Your professor can recommend you, and you can also go through your LinkedIn etc. apps, and you can give it a try. So, which particular subjects they must be strong for getting into VLSI? Can you suggest that, Arpit?
Uh, so actually, I am placed in the communication
Okay, you
branch.
are from signals
So
signal processing. So
yeah, I am from
right.
Signal.
So many people have this doubt that is suppose they want to go for Intel, Qualcomm, etc. They think that VLSA is the only way they can go for it, or Mtech specialization must be VLSA. But as per my knowledge, you can clear this with other students. Even you go for telecommunications branch. I think last time you messaged me, you got telecommunication also in Kharagpur, right, during your
Yeah.
Mtech.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
yeah, and signal processing. All these people are also eligible for equal number of placements. Can you explain this scenario at IITs?
Yes, if a person wants to pursue his career on the VLSI industry, he can apply in that particular company. There is no such restriction for a student that he or she must be from the specific branch.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So guys, even if you are from a communication, signal processing, anything. So one more thing, some of the student is asking. Many these days, electrical engineering students are interested to switch to VLSA. So what's your suggestion for that if they want to go for this?
It depends on person to person.
Yeah,
Like
I mean,
every
what
industry
kind of
has
skills they
the
need to develop to enter into this?
for VLSI or
Yeah,
in
VLSA.
communication
V-
partner.
VLSA.
Okay. Just for the VLSI, they have to be good in the digital electronics, yes, HTI, static timing analysis, and Verilog, and only this kind of subject is
Okay.
important. Actually, sir, I was preparing for the communication branch, so I'm not
Yeah,
very
I
well
understood. I
aware
understood.
about
Right,
all of
right.
this. Yeah.
Got it. So you must be
Yeah.
clear, good with your digital electronics. You must be good with your Verilog, and you must be good with static time analysis of the uh, your particular area of interest. Then, I mean, digital circuits may like delay analysis, etc. You'll be getting. There is a
Yeah, yeah,
separate course on it. It is in the next level. You will be having that. If you are able to get into these things, you will be able to do it. And in these are the areas you should develop your skills. And okay, fine. You are doing. I think your MTech is going to complete in this particular week and in this week, right?
yes, sir.
So how is your experience with IIT? How you felt these 2 years of? I think your 2 years went with COVID, or you went to college?
No, sir. Right now I'm in college. College is like for
Okay,
1 year I was in home. and after that I came here.
Right. How is your experience with IIT? How is your life at IIT? Can you explain that to our students?
Yes, sir. Actually, it is very wonderful. Like you can explore the things not only in technical but also in academic. Other than technical things, there are so many activities that happens in the IT campus. Okay, and also I have made many such friends here. Like they have been with me in every situation. So yeah, the life is amazing here. I
Okay.
can't explain in the words. You can feel it.
Right. Okay, great. So, I think in IIT it is a mixture of both your studies and you can also enjoy your life. There are many phases, etc. How you because your first year went with the COVID. I think second year all these phases, etc. happened or you participated. Uh,
Uh,
how is your
no,
life there?
yeah, in the second year I was doing my thesis, so I was very busy in my thesis only.
Okay.
Like we have to
You used to be
go
in
in the
lab only
lab.
mostly, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right.
We have to be in lab.
Right. So fine. Suppose what's your gate rank exactly?
1467.
Okay, you got it to 1467. I think you got two options, right? IIT Kharagpur and also IIT Kanpur at that time.
I can't go. Yes, sir.
Right, fine. Okay. So suppose if a student want to start his journey with the gate preparation, so what's your suggestion right now? I think you are placed well. If you want to reveal your package, you can reveal so that the other learners who are in the live, they might be getting motivated. That's the intention.
Okay,
So,
okay,
what's
okay.
your
So my package is 34 lakhs,
yeah?
and I am placed in the communication domain at Qualcomm, Hyderabad.
Great. So he's placed
Yes,
in Hyderabad, Qualcomm communication domain, and his package is going to be 34 lakhs per annum. Okay, that is at the beginner level. Okay, this is what you will be getting if you do great with your GATE exam. Okay, and don't worry about the other things. Okay, which are not in your hand, and prepare for your Mtech properly and crack it. Okay, so because many people these days are worrying regarding the number of opportunities available, but some few people don't have the idea regarding the Mtech. Many people are neglecting the Mtech because they think their opportunities are less with the Mtech. So it might be a awareness for them. So what's your suggestion? Is it really worth to do Mtech after your B.Tech or go for a
sir.
job immediately after the B.Tech?
No, sir. Actually, if you go for higher studies, the companies like there are plenty of opportunities ahead in front of you. Like so, you cannot anyone like it is only the investment of 2 years only. After that, you are getting the things that you are expecting and the lifestyle that you are dreaming for.
Okay.
So, yeah, like after the B.Tech, the core companies will not allow you to join them. Like, but after you are doing M.Tech, then they open their doors for you.
Yes. So directly, if you go for your what we call, if you are aiming for some great companies immediately after your BTech, you maybe they may not allow you because of your degree from a particular. I mean, they may expect something from you. Your degree must be some IIT, you must be from NIT or something. They will be expecting. So 2 years, if you invest properly in your life with your MTech from a good college like some top college like IITs and NITs, you will be seeing that difference in your life after 2 years. Suppose if you during your BTech you got any placement,
No, sir, I was not
you
taken
didn't
there.
went for placement.
I
You
was not
already
appeared for
committed
there
and dedicated
because
only.
every company was coming only for software domain, but I wanted to work in the core field.
Okay,
That's
why you got this gap of 2 years after your BTech? I think you completed in
uh,
2018.
Yeah, so actually, after that 2018, I was like getting some fever, that kind of thing. That's why my gate was ruined at that time.
Okay.
So after that, again I started. In 2019, I got NIT Warangal, but I left that because I was not getting the branch which I wanted.
Okay.
Actually, I wanted that IIT tag also.
Okay, great. So, how when you got inspired to join in IIT, what's your motivation behind joining this? I mean, the tag of IIT. Who motivated you the best? I mean, it might be in the childhood or somewhere you got some point where you get motivated with this. Can you explain that?
from the childhood only that I wanted to study in the one of the most topmost institutes in this country. And also, like I studied from you the digital electronics and the network analysis, and you motivated us each and every time that there is there is a great life ahead in front of us if we join the IT. So like I was gaining the knowledge from you and also motivated myself that the sir is telling, so there must be something.
Yes.
Like,
Thank you. Great. So finally you achieved your dream and now you're going into the second next phase of your life. I hope this will be, I mean, do you have any, I want to ask you, do you have any plans for research also? You want to continue with the job only?
right now, I have not thought about this, but after 2 or 3 years, if
Okay.
my mind says so, I will join PhD also.
Okay, great. So, any other questions, guys? Anyone want to ask regarding your preparation, regarding your queries, regarding the opportunities? Any kind of question you have in your mind, you can ask to Arpit. He will be able to help you guys. So, any kind of queries you have, feel free to ask him. He is available with you guys for some time, so you can ask your queries. You have anything in your mind regarding your preparation, whether this exam is really worth or whether we need to go for this particular domain, which particular domain is good these days. Any kind of question you have in your mind, feel free to ask. Okay. Just I'm waiting for the questions from the students, and otherwise we'll uh, you are, I think he's asking, Vaibhav is asking if you have any knowledge about digital VLSI profile. He is asking how much depth of Verilog is required. Do you have any
Yeah,
idea?
you should know each and every concept of Verilog. Like uh, there is two types of profile, front end and back end, and for both of them, the knowledge of Verilog is required.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, right. Uh, it's not like the program, it depends on that particular year competition and many other factors. Okay. Right. Any other? Fine. Last few minutes of our session. Okay. So guys, any other queries if you have, you want to ask, you can ask me. So we will wind up the session in 5 minutes. So we have 5 minutes of time for you guys. Any kind of queries if you are having regarding your preparation, anything you can ask me. Right? So already Aditya and Jitendra have given some inputs to you, Vaibhav. You can utilize that also. Okay. So when are you joining this? I mean, after your Mtech is going to complete by 27th. So
Yes.
when is your joining?
4th of July.
4th of July. Okay, you got some good time to relax in between.
Yeah,
Okay,
it is my luck.
right. Vaibhav, for digital VLSA profile, I may bring one more student to 2 days, 2 3 days. So today we will confine our questions regarding communications. So can you share your interview experience, Arpit? What kind of questions they asked, all those things in a short duration.
Okay. So that basically there were 4 rounds. So in the first round, they asked the basic questions from the digital communication, signal and system, wireless communication, detection and estimation theory, and probability. And also there were four puzzles they have asked. And after clearing the first round, they took my second round. The level of second round was just above from the first round. There they started from the basics of random variables or processes, and after that they went on detection and estimation theory and wireless communication. And in between, they asked some question from C programming language. They asked me to write the two codes for their question. And after clearing the second round, also there was the third round. So these rounds were back to back, okay, like 1 hour duration for each. And in the third round, they started from convex optimization and ISA, like introduction to signal analysis, linear algebra. So they asked me some questions from linear algebra, linear math, etc., etc. And they are focusing mainly on the concept of wireless communication and detection and estimation theory, because this area is doing the work in that domain only. So after these three rounds, my fourth round was on the other day, on like the day after day. So they have took my fourth round, and that round was with my manager. I know that, I know him, and in that round, he was asking me questions according to the real time scenario. He is giving me a scenario like how will you do this, what is happening in the communication, like how we are transmitting, like that. He is giving me different scenario in the real world, and he was expecting me to like explore my knowledge, to like what I have learned. I should I should do. I should be capable to do this in the real world.
Got it.
That was his motive.
Great.
So,
So one last question, Arpit, from my side. Many students this year, many of our students are going for Mtech this particular year. I mean, they are worrying regarding the specialization. Many students have some queries regarding which specialization is good. So generally, in IIT placements, as per my knowledge, and you might have also seen already, if they are from a particular specialization, I mean, if they are from the same department, many of the companies hire commonly, right? So keeping this in the mind, can you suggest which whether the student should give preference to college or specialization? Say they got the, yeah. I hope you got the question. Yeah, you can.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So actually, if you are in top five IITs, you do not have to worry about the branches. Like
Okay.
you can take any branches and you can go in whatever field you want to.
Yeah.
But if you are going from like below from top five colleges, then you have to worry about the branches. Like
Specialization.
every company comes there for the VLSI domain. They don't come for other domains. Like in our
Okay.
college, the company comes for communication, but in other colleges they don't come for communication.
Okay, got
Like
it. Fine. So one more extension. So what are the specializations you suggest for our students for their MTech with easy specializations, you can say, if possible,
okay,
electrical
so
also.
yeah, so it depends on their interest also. But as per my knowledge, like you can opt if you want placement. Okay, if you are aiming for the placement only, so you can opt VLSI. Like there are so many companies, they offer very big roles. Okay,
Okay.
but if you are interested in communication also, you can opt for communication branch.
Okay, fine. VLSI communication and some embedded systems, I think that's not present.
Yeah, embedded.
Okay, signal processing.
Embedded system is not here.
Yeah, it's present in Kharagpur only, I think. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Fine, that's all. Okay, it's really a nice time with you. Nice interacting with you, and you shared a lot of inputs to our students. And I hope it is definitely useful for many of your students. Thanks for your time, Arpit, as you have the presentation in the next 2 days. Okay, prepare well. Thank you for your time.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. You can leave.
Yes.
So guys, that's it. That's the interview of one of our topper. Okay, I'll keep on bringing this kind of interviews so that it will be a motivation for you, and you'll get some knowledge about what's happening outside the your world. What are the opportunities you have with your gate, and what kind of settlement you can expect. All these will motivate you to work further and achieve something. This is my intention to bring any interview for you guys. Okay, so you can see this is the price is going to increase for Unacademy iconic subscriptions. If you want to take the subscription, you can subscribe as early as possible. You can use the code Shankar10, and this offer is also going on till May 25th. You can use this and you will be getting the what we call 9 plus 2 months extra, and 12 plus 3 or 18 4 24 4 what we call extension for the subscription. So this community feature of Unacademy Android app, you can use it. Already it is there with the iOS, I feel. So you can get the information regarding the batches, notes, and tips and tricks. So many things you will be getting it. So go to Unacademy homepage, click on community, click on discover, and follow the favorite educator. My profile link is available in this video description. You can follow. These are the current batches going on with Unacademy, and we are splitting the goals for different branches like this soon, and these are our toppers this year, guys. So these are the features of an Academy Plus subscription. As you know, all the top educators will be giving you the proper guidance, more interactive sessions, regular doubt solving. You will be getting it, and you can raise a hand and talk to the educator. You will be getting notes, test series, and आपको physical notes भी मिलेगा, one-to-one mentorship, strategy program, etc. You will be getting it. Tomorrow we are going to conduct the same time at 9 p.m. one session. Like yesterday we did the questions, right? Question series will continue tomorrow at 9 p.m. I'll be bringing some questions of the interviews or written test exams of these kind of companies, and we'll be discussing that. Thank you very much for your time. All the best, guys. I hope you will be cracking this year, and I will be interviewing you people next year. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.